Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious violet cabbage. First, choose a firm head, ensuring its leaves are vibrant. You will want to remove any outer leaves that are not pristine. Then, rinse it thoroughly under cool, running water. Quarter the cabbage, carefully removing the tough inner core from each section. Finally, slice these quarters into beautiful, thin ribbons, ready for cooking. For a quick, vibrant side, sauté your prepped cabbage. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet until it shimmers, using a medium-high flame. Add the sliced cabbage and stir continuously for about 5 to 7 minutes. You want it tender crisp, not mushy. Finish by seasoning with a light sprinkle of salt and freshly ground pepper for delightful flavor. To achieve a wonderfully tender, sweeter cabbage, try braising it. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a heavy pot or Dutch oven over a gentle, medium heat. Add the prepared cabbage along with 1/2 cup of apple cider and 1/4 cup of water. Cover tightly, reduce the heat to low, and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until it becomes beautifully soft. Elevate your cabbage by balancing its natural earthiness. A splash of acidity, like 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or fresh lemon juice, added at the very end brightens everything. You can also introduce a touch of sweetness with 1 teaspoon of brown sugar or maple syrup. Fresh herbs such as chopped dill, fragrant parsley, or even a pinch of caraway seeds will truly enhance the dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.